Hello viewers and my dear subscribers. In this video, we'll be seeing how could you perform Wi-Fi deauthorization attacks so that you can disconnect clients from an Wi-Fi network so that they will not be able to access their Wi-Fi network. This video is just for educational purpose. Do not mislead the content. I will be trying on my own Wi-Fi networks and let's get into the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe our channel to be updated on each and every cyber blog we deal into. Okay, let's get it. Okay, now let's understand what is these deauthorization attacks. When the deauthorization attack is done by hackers, dissociation frames are sent to both clients as well as access point so that no client would be able to access the access point so that they would not be able to connect to the network again. These are part of 802.11 Wi-Fi standards. Here, when the hacker uses the ESP8226 module with that AirPlay ng command is used so that deauthorization package is sent from the attackers to the victims. These deauthorization packages are sent via this command, which is pre-defaultly set in the module ESP8226 with the bin file we provide that edits these X and Y values accordingly to the network so that it could perform AirPlay ng attack and disconnect the users from their network via their Wi-Fi adapters. Okay, this can be done via ESP8226 module, which is pre-defaultly set. While this attack is going on, the RSSI values versus time period graph is noticed via this trend. There is an increase in RSSI values so that we could understand these Wi-Fi packages are being sent. Okay, let's now understand how to set up the ESP8226 module as a Wi-Fi jammer. This ESP8226 nodemcu module is a Wi-Fi development board. Here we will be flashing this with a bin file via a third-party application whose GUI looks like this. With this, we will be able to flash the bin file into our nodemcu module so that it could be converted to a Wi-Fi jammer. Okay, once the flash gets success, we will be able to connect into the Wi-Fi portal of ESP8226 named Pwned and password defaultly is deauther. Okay, once we connect into this network, we will be getting a GUI like this. This could be easily accessed defaultly with this IP address mentioned here. Okay, once we connect, we would be able to see this menu. Here, after we select the APs and stations, we would require to click on attacks and deauth. The Wi-Fi signals would be sent so that they get disconnected with the Wi-Fi clients so that they would not be able to access the Wi-Fi point. Okay, let's now understand how this attack works manually and practically. Okay, now to install the modules and flasher and bin file, we need to go to our website to download it. Go here and visit Wi-Fi deauther. Now, when the page is open, you will see here 3 files links are given below. These links are nothing but the flasher and bin file and USB driver. This will not required for now. I'll explain why it is not required. Because this is to configure the USB flasher and bin file, but it is pre-defaultly configured to use as a Wi-Fi jammer. Now let me show how to do it. Just click on the link given below. Okay, the flasher and bin file is given and the Silicon Labs USB driver is also here. It's installed according to your system here. Now the flasher and bin file here is visible. Click on download and download the file. Once the file is downloaded, I'll show you what to do. Okay, here I have downloaded both the flasher and bin file as well as the USB driver. Once you extract the flasher and bin file, you can see two files ESP8226. Okay, if you see here, you have another file which is a driver. Once you extract it, you will see these many files. According to your system, do install the driver so that you could flash. Now, I would use the USB 8226 flasher. Once I have successfully connected my nodemcu into the system, the configuration would successfully configure and my COM3 port is visible here. Now I require to install the bin file here. Okay, I would config and give the bin file location. Okay, I have given the bin file and here you have to change few values. Okay, you should change the baud rate from this value to 9600. Okay, after doing this, you should go to the operation and click on flash. Once your nodemcu is perfectly installed in your system, it would start to perform the flashing operation. Once the operation is done, I'll show you. Okay, let's wait until it completes. Okay, once the flash is successful, I will connect the nodemcu to a power source. Okay, once the power is given, it starts blinking. Okay, once the light gets stop, you can see a Wi-Fi network name beyond here. Just connect to it. The default password is deauther. Now I would connect to my specific network here. Okay, now it's getting connected. Once connected, we would go with 192.168.4.1. Okay, it is successfully connected and I have read this. So here there are many Wi-Fi stations. I will select only mine. Do not try with any others. Okay, here I will give deauth. Okay, it starts blinking here. Okay, you can see that my Wi-Fi gets disconnected within few seconds. Okay, let's reload. Okay, the packets are now sent. The dissociation friends are now sent to my Wi-Fi network. Okay, within few seconds you can see it's getting disconnected and no internet. Okay, it again sends few Wi-Fi packets to the victim so that they will not get any internet access. Apart from doing deauthorization attacks, you can even create fake SSIDs to confuse your victims. Even you can create probe requests to your victims. Okay, this video is just for educational purpose. Do not mislead its content and just do for educational purpose and try on your own network. Do not do in others' network without their permission because it's legally offensive. Okay, thank you for this video guys. Meet you in another video. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Learn the art of hacking with CodeSafeguard. Thanking you. Meet you next video.